Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are doing well and maintaining good health. I'm Dr. Smruti and I welcome you all to Etuson, Education for Better Tomorrow. It's a digital learning platform for Odia and English medium students. If you believe in quality education, then you are in the right platform. As in Etuson, we provide quality education which will definitely help you to build your career. Then what are you waiting for? Please download the eTuition app and enroll yourself so that you can avail all the facilities at your fingertips. So students, without wasting much time, let us start today's class. So today we are going to learn how to find the nth term of an arithmetic progression or AP. So are you all ready for that? So let us start. So I have taken one example to understand the concept. Irina applied for a job and got selected. She has been offered a job with a starting monthly salary of rupees 8,000 with an annual increment of 500 in her salary. What would be her monthly salary for the fifth year? Correct? So first, Rina's current salary is equal to rupees 8,000. She'll be getting annual increment of rupees 1 rupees 500. Correct. So at the end of first year, that means when she'll be completing 1 year over there, that means at the beginning of the second year, at the end of first year, and beginning of second year, her salary will be equal to current salary plus annual increment. Correct or not? So her salary in the second year will be 8,000 plus 500, that is 8,500. Okay, her salary at the beginning of second year will be 8,500. Correct. So now suppose I want to find out Rina's salary in the third year. So how I am going to find it out? So that is equal to 8,500 plus 500. Correct or now? Not. So now this 8,500 I can write it as how much? 8,500 plus 500. Can I write it like this? 8,000 plus 500 plus 500. Right? So now we have two increments. So I can write down 2 into 500. Again, this 2 can be written as 3 minus 1 into 500, that is equal to finally 9,000 rupees. Okay. So this is at the beginning of third year, the salary she will be getting. Right. So similarly, suppose I want to find out Rina's salary in fourth year. So in that case, that will be equal to 9,000 plus 500, which is nothing but equal to 8,000 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500. Correct. So that is equal to 8,000 plus 3 into 500, and that is equal to 8,000 plus 4 minus 1, into 500. Right? So, and the answer is 9,500. So, there is a reason for expressing all this in terms of this. I will tell you afterwards. Now, Rina's salary in the 5th year. So that is equal to how much? Again 9,500 plus 500, which is again equal to 8,000 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500 and plus 500. Correct or not? So that is equal to 8,000 plus she is getting 4 annual increment, right? So 4,000 into 500, and that is equal to 8,000 plus what is 4, that is 5 minus 1 into 500, and your answer is 10,000. So Rina's salary at the beginning of the 5th year is how much? It is 10,000 rupees. Correct? So now, so just observing the pattern, if we will be asked to find out Rina's salary for the 25th year. Okay, so if you remember, for 3rd year we were adding 2 increment, that is 3 minus 1. For the 5th year we were adding 4 increment, that is 5 minus 1. Similarly for 25th year, how many increments will be getting? She'll be getting 24, that is 25 minus 1. So following the same pattern, Rina's 25th year salary is equal to first salary plus 25 minus 1 years of annual increment. Correct or not? So in this case, first salary was 8,000 rupees and 25 minus 1, 24. Annual increment is 500. So 8,000 plus 12,000, and she will be getting 20,000 here. So her monthly salary will be 20,000 for the 25th year. Correct? Now you see. Let A1, A2, A3 be an AP whose first term A1 is A and the common difference is D. Then the second term A2 is equal to A plus D, which is nothing but A plus 2 minus 1. 2 stands for second term, minus 1 into common difference. The third term A3 is equal to A2 plus D, that is A plus D plus D. Again, this 2 can be expressed as third term, that is 3 minus 1 into D. Similarly, for the fourth term, it will be A3 plus D, that is equal to A plus 2D plus D, that is equal to A plus 3D, that is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. So, looking at the pattern, we can say that the nth term an will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. Correct or not? So the nth term an of an arithmetic progression with first term a and common difference d is given by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. An is also called the general term of the AP. If there are m terms in the AP, then am represents the last term, which is sometimes denoted by L. So let us solve some problems. Find the 10th term of an AP. So here in this AP, your A is equal to 2. Let us find out the common difference, that is 7 minus 2, that is equal to 12 minus 7, and your common difference is 5. And you have to find out which term, you have to find out 10. So n is equal to 10 here. So a10 will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is n here? It is 10. So let us put 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 5. So that is equal to 2 plus 9 into 5, that is equal to 2 plus 45, and your answer is 47. Correct. Now, second problem. Which term of the AP 21, 18, 15 is minus 81? Also, is any term 0? Give reason for your answer. So, here the first term is given by 21. What is the difference? Difference is 18 minus 21, that is equal to 15 minus 18, and the common difference is minus 3. Now you have to find out which term is minus 81. So you don't know which term. You don't know what is the value of n, right? So here an is given to be minus 81. Okay, so minus 81 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So that is equal to how much? 21 plus n minus 1 into minus 3, correct? So you'll be getting n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 81 minus 21, which is nothing but equal to minus 102. It implies n minus 1 is equal to minus 102 divided by minus 3. That is equal to how much? That is equal to 34. So what is the value of n then? N is equal to 34 plus 1, that is 35. So 35th term of the AP will be minus 81. 35th term of the AP will be minus 81. Now also is any term equal to 0. Now let us check. That means suppose here an is equal to 0. So let us put if it is satisfying the equation, then there can be any term as 0. So let us check. So assume that there is a term equal to 0. So 0 is equal to now a plus n minus 1 into d, which is nothing but equal to 21 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. It implies n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 21. It implies your n minus 1 is equal to 7. So n is equal to 8. So 8th term of AP is equal to 8th term of AP is equal to 0. And 35th term is equal to minus 81. Correct. Now, determine the AP whose third term is 5 and the seventh term is 9. So now in this AP, the first term and the common difference is not given, but the third term and seventh term is given. So if it is A3, A3 can be written as A plus 2D, correct or not? A7 can be written as A plus 60. Now what is A plus 2D? A plus 2D is equal to 5. What is A plus 60? It is equal to 9. Now if you subtracting equation 1 from 2, you get what? You get 4D is equal to 9 minus 5, that is 4. It implies your D is equal to 4 by 4, that is 1. So put in any of the equation and your A will be equal to 5 minus 2D, that is 5 minus 2, that is 3. So what will be your AP? So your AP is given by what? So your first term is 3. So starting from 3, with a common difference of 1. So you will have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on and so forth. So just check whether third term is 5 or not. So third term is 5. Seventh term is 9 or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 9. Correct. So all our condition is satisfied and your answer is correct. Right. So now let us go to the next problem. Check whether 301 is a term of the list of number 5, 11, 17, 23 or not. Check whether 300. So again we have already solved a problem of that kind. So here consider an is equal to 301, which is nothing but equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is a here? A is equal to 5. What is d here? D is equal to 11 minus 5 is equal to 17 minus 11, that is equal to 6. Right? So now put it in the equation. 301 is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 6. It implies you have n minus 1 into 6 is equal to 301 minus 5, which is nothing but equal to how much it is? It is 296. It implies n minus 1 is equal to 296 divided by 6. So just check it if it is a, a whole number. Okay, so 6 into 4 is 24. Then you have 50. Then you have 56. Okay, so 56, it is not divisible by 6. So you will be having 4 4 9. So 4 9. Then you will be remaining is 49 2 by 6, which is not a whole number. So n definitely, if you add this 1 to this side, this becomes 296 plus 6 divided by 6. So that is equal to how much? That is 302. 302 divided by 6. So again it is not divisible, right? It is not divisible. So that is 151 divided by 3, and it is 51 by 3, which is not a natural number. Hence 301 cannot be a term in the list. Correct? Now, how many two digits are divisible by 9? So, if you consider the two-digit number, the first number which is divisible by 3, so the numbers divisible by 3 for two digit, it starts from 12 and it ends with 99. Okay, so this is two digit number. Remember, we are considering two digit number. So here a is equal to 12 and the common difference d is equal to 3. So you have to find out, and your last term an is equal to 99. So you have to find out what is the value of n, right? So your an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into 3. So an is equal to, that is last term is equal to 99. It implies your n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 99 minus 12, which is nothing but equal to how much? 9 minus 2 is 7 and here 87. So your n minus 1 is equal to 87 divided by 3, which is equal to 29. So your n is equal to how much? 29 plus 1, that is 30. So how many two digits numbers are divisible? So there are 30 numbers. 30 numbers, okay, which are divisible by 3. Two-digit number which are divisible by 3. In a flower bed, there are 23 rose plants in the first row, 21 in the second, 19 in the third, and so on. There are 5 rose plants in the last row. How many rows are there in the flower bed? Okay, so here your A is equal to 23, A2 is equal to 21, A3 is equal to 19, and A last or AN or L is equal to 5. So you have to find out how many rows are there in the flower. How many rows are there? So that means you have to find out N. So before that, what is the common difference? So the common difference is what? Common difference is 21 minus 23, that is equal to 19, minus 21, that is equal to minus 2. Now again the same formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is AN? AN is equal to 5. What is A? 23 plus N minus 1. N you have to find out. N is the number of rows into minus 2. It implies 5 is equal to 23 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. Correct or not? So now n minus 1 into minus 2 will be equal to minus 18. It implies n minus 1 is equal to minus 18 divided by minus 2. It is 9. So it is n equal to 9 plus 1, that is 10. So the number of rows in the flower bed is equal to 10. Correct? Hope you have understood, children. So with this we come to the next problem. Find the 11th term from the last term of the AP. Find the 11th term from the last term of the AP. So there are two ways to find out the 11th term from the last term towards the first term. So what we will do, we will write down the AP in the reverse order. So writing AP in reverse order, we have minus 62, okay, then it ends with 4, 7 and 10, and you can find out that your common difference is 3 here. Common difference is 3 here. Now after writing the AP in reverse order, your A will be how much? Minus 62, right? So you can find out the 11th term very easily. So you have n is equal to 11. So A11 will be equal to taking minus 62 as the first term. So minus 62 plus n minus 1 into D. So minus 62 plus n minus 1 is 10 into D. D is how much? It is 3. So minus 62 plus 30, that is minus 32. So your 11th term from last term is equal to minus 32. Correct? So with this we come to an end. Hope you have liked this video. Please share with your friends. Follow us in YouTube, Instagram and Twitter. Don't forget to download the eTuition app. Keep practicing, keep smiling and take care of yourselves.